Welcome to the Code Plus website. This is where you can find the Code Plus online training material. Click on Inloggen cursist to get started with Code Plus. Do you have a username and password for Code Plus? If so, please log in here. Do you need a username and password? If so, click on Registreren. This is where you can register as a user. Enter your information. Select the correct gender, male or female. Then enter your first name, any middle initial, and your surname. Enter your email address. Then choose your own username and password. Now write down your username and password in your diary. Lastly, please accept the Thieme Meulenhof Terms of Use and Privacy Statement. Click on Verder. Choose your school or course institute. First, enter your plaats. This is the location where the school is based. Then enter the name of the school at schoolnaam. Is your school not shown on the list? In that case, please contact us on nt2@thiememeulenhof.nl. Are you studying independently? If so, enter Amersfoort under plaats and Code Plus Thieme Meulenhof School voor schoolnaam. Type in the personal activation code here, as shown on the paper voucher that came with the book you bought. Haven't you got a voucher? Click on Ik wil een product aanschaffen or order the voucher from your online bookseller. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the Code Plus online training material. Go to Mijn gegevens first to update your details. When you want to work with Code Plus Part 1 for the first time, you have to enter the planned end date for your course. Go to work on Part 1. Then you can choose your support language. You will then see the instructions for the training in your support language. Save the information you have changed. The next time you work on Code Plus, you will not have to fill in these details again. You can now start. Click on Lesmateriaal and then click on Mijn traject. Select the part of Code Plus that you need to work through by clicking on the plus sign. Then select the chapter on which you want to work. The next time that you go to Lesmateriaal, the red bar will show where you got to last time. In each chapter you will find the exercises and the texts and training that belong to that section. Each chapter starts with an introduction screen. This screen shows the title of the chapter and the 4 exercises that you will work through. Click on the Verder button to start the training. On the screen, read what you need to do. In Part 1, the instructions are available in support languages. The icon next to the instruction tells you what skill you are practicing, for example, listening. As you work through the training, you can use the online dictionary. Start the video by clicking on the arrow and answer the questions. To pause the video, click on the pause button. When you have completed an exercise, click on Kijk na. You will see which questions you answered correctly or incorrectly. Green means that your answer is correct. Red means that your answer is incorrect. If your answer is incorrect, the correct answer will be shown in blue. If you wish, you can now try the exercise again. Click on Herhaal to try again. Your answers will be cleared. You can also go back to the previous exercise or continue to do the next exercise. Under Lesmateriaal Kaders, you will find all the frameworks and exercises for grammatica en spelling, routines, and cultuur. The frameworks and exercises are the same as in Mijn traject. The results will be saved separately. First, select the type of framework you'd like to look at and then select a section. You can see the frameworks and exercises by subject or in chapter sequence. You can use the search function to search for keywords within the kaders. You can also complete a course using one or more specific skills: listening, speaking, and reading and writing. For example, if you choose listening, you will only see the training exercises that are based on the skill of listening. The exercises are the same as in Mijn Traject. The results will be saved separately. In this section, you can prepare for your citizenship exam. You can practice crucial practical situations to prepare for the electronic practical exam. Knowledge of Dutch society, and you can practice using the exam questions from the electronic practical exam and your knowledge of Dutch society. You can find your results and your progress in your Dutch course here. You can see how far you've come or what your results are. This is the number of questions that you have answered correctly or incorrectly. You can also print this out.